All right, another big story we're following at 5 o'clock. Some former inmates are getting financial support to rejoin society. It's part of a pilot program rolled out by Mecklenburg County leaders.
Those who qualify would get up to $600 a month. Queen City News reporter Casey Jones is at the Mecklenburg County Detention Center to explain how this works.
Many people who walk out of these doors after serving time in the Mecklenburg County Jail face a number of hardships, including finding housing and paying for everyday essentials. Now, Mecklenburg County officials are testing out a pilot program to help financially support previously incarcerated individuals. Mecklenburg County officials are giving some formerly incarcerated people a hand up after leaving the detention center. People who qualify can get up to $600 in an account to pay for essentials.
So if they have, any sort of general welfare needs, which could be, things like housing or, utilities, groceries, if they have childcare needs or any sort of healthcare needs, they can basically notify the department of that, and then we will be able to take care of those things like on their behalf.
Sonia Harper, Director of Criminal Justice Services for Mecklenburg County, says the pilot program kicked off July 1st with 60 participants. A quarter of people have already had expenses paid.
There are very close correlations between socioeconomics and criminal activity. And so, we kind of see this as, sort of it's a new idea. But we see it as a way to really kind of address some of those core issues, that have gotten folks involved in our justice system to begin with.
Success will be measured by stable housing, employment, and recidivism of the individuals. The goal is to reduce the likelihood of people reoffending while supplementing their income. On average, it costs more than $40,000 a year to incarcerate one person in North Carolina.
When you're looking at $600 per month, for a person over the course of 12 months, that's significantly less than the amount that it costs the state to incarcerate someone in a state facility.
To stay in the program, participants must keep in contact with the reentry office. They must also keep up with all the terms of their probation. They also must stay out of any new criminal activity. Reporting in Uptown Charlotte, Casey Jones, Queen City News.